How to fix TikTok audio delay on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok audio delay on Android phone. First open settings and then just scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just go to TikTok and go to storage. Now click clear cache and then click force stop, and now just go back, go to storage and then clean up. Now all you need to do, just click clean this one, junk files. You will find it here, just click on it and click clean up, and then just go back settings and enable performance mode, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem will be fixed, and see you in the next video.